Multipure's Water Emergency Treatment, or WET system, is designed to offer you peace of mind in an emergency by providing cleaner, safer, filtered water. The system comes conveniently packaged in a 12-inch box that stores easily in a dry location, such as a closet in your home. Inside, you'll find everything you'll need to quickly make safe drinking water. This includes a handy collapsible bucket to hold water, and of course 2 Multipure carbon block filter cartridges. All of the accessories you'll need are also included, such as written instructions, all of the tubing and fittings you'll need, a set of 10 purification tablets, and sediment pre-filter wraps. This will complete the kit. You'll also need a clean receptacle, such as a pitcher, to collect the clean water. Once you have all of the parts of the WET system, you'll need to fill the collapsible bucket with your source water. You'll want to select the cleanest freshwater source you can find, such as a pond, stream, or lake. The WET system is not engineered to purify salt water. If the water is not from a microbiologically safe source, you'll need to disinfect the water with the provided disinfection tablets. Use 4 tablets for every gallon of water. Allow the tablets to dissolve in the water and set for 4 hours, preferably in an area away from direct sunlight. In lieu of the disinfection tablets, you can also disinfect the water with unscented household bleach containing 5.25% sodium hypochlorite. Use 16 drops of bleach per gallon of water. Be sure to stir the water and let it set for 30 minutes. If the water does not have a slight bleach odor afterwards, add an additional 16 drops of bleach per gallon and let it set for another 30 minutes. While allowing the water to set and disinfect, you can prepare the carbon block filters by wrapping them with a sediment pre-filter wrap. Use the netting to hold the wrap in place. Then connect the tubing connector to the carbon block filter. The threaded fitting can be threaded into the end of the carbon block filter. Now you may want to use a wrench or pliers to assure a tight fit. Once assembled, tug on the hose to assure it is connected properly. Only after the water has been properly disinfected, you can lower the filter and tubing into the water, allowing the long end of the tubing to hang outside of the bucket. Find an elevated location to set the bucket of water. 5 to 7 feet off the ground is a good guideline. If you have time, allow the carbon block filter to sit in the bucket of water for another hour to allow it to become saturated with water. This will make the next step a little bit easier. Now it's time to begin a siphon. Verify that the blue valve is in the open position by making sure the handle is parallel to the tubing. Then you can suck on the tubing like a straw to begin drawing water through the carbon block filter. This may take a few minutes to achieve. Once water starts flowing down the tube, you can let the first cup or so go to waste, as it will contain harmless carbon particles. Once you've started the siphon, be sure to keep the end of the hose lower than the level of the bucket, and you can fill up your clean receptacle. You can turn on and off the flow of water with the valve connected to the tubing. Once the bucket is near empty, remove the filter cartridge, refill the bucket with source water, and repeat the disinfection process. You can use the filter cartridge for about 100 gallons. Congratulations! Now you've turned this dirty pond water into a safe emergency supply of clean water.